Hello, my name is Lavanya and I am from Himachal Pradesh. I recently completed my Python and Django course at ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited under the guidance of Manpreet ma'am. Now I am going to walk you through my Django project named Resso. Here is the login page. After logging in, you will be directed to the home page. You can also become the admin of this page by creating a super user. For regular users, first you need to create an account by clicking the Create an Account button. Once you created the account, login, you will be directed to the home page. You can also contact us by visiting contact page. On the product page, we offer items like jeans, shirts and more. Simply go to the product page where you can also add products to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. After clicking on the Add to Cart button, there is a pop-up message at the bottom of the screen that says the product has been added to your cart. For more details, you can visit About Us page. If you wish to purchase items from your cart, you just need to click on the Buy Now button followed by the Pay Now button. Now you will see a success message. When you click on the exit button, you will return to the home page. This is all about my project. You can also visit ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited for Python and Django courses. Thank you.